Are you thinking about getting into the tech industries or looking to switch careers in Australia? Well, you are in luck because in today's video we are dividing into the top 5 most in demand tech jobs in Australia for 2025. These roles are not only shaping the future of technology but also offering some of the most competitive salaries and security in the country. Kicking off the list is the role of software engineering or developer, which continues to be the backbone of the digital world. Whether it's web development, mobile apps, or enterprise software, developers are needed everywhere from startups to large corporations. Skills like JavaScript, Python, and frameworks like React and Node.js are especially hot right now. In cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane, software engineers are in high demand with salaries ranging from 100k to 114k Australian dollar, depending on experience. Next up is cybersecurity specialist, a role that exploding in importance as companies facing increasing threats of data breaches and cyber attacks. With Australian privacy regulation getting tighter and the rise in digital transactions, businesses are investing heavily in cybersecurity. Skills like network security, penetration testing, and tools like Splunk or Wireshark are highly sought after. Salaries in this space can range between 110k to 116 Australian dollar, and sectors like finance, government, and healthcare are hiring aggressively. Coming in at number 3 is the role of data analyst or data scientist. We all know that in today's world, data is power. Whether it's understanding customer behavior, forecasting sales, or improving operation, companies across every industry are relying on data professionals to guide decision making. Essential tools for this include SQL, Python, Power BI, and machine learning techniques. You'll find opportunities in sectors like retail, finance, health, and even sports. On average, data analysts in Australia earn between 90k to 115 Australian dollar, with room for growth as you specialize further. At number 4, we have cloud engineers and DevOps engineers who are crucial for modern infrastructure. With more companies moving their system to the cloud, whether it's AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. These professionals are responsible for making that transition smooth, secure, and scalable. DevOps roles require knowledge of Docker, like Kubernetes, Terraform, and CI/CD pipelines. This field is also ideal for remote work and flexible hours, and salaries are attractive, ranging from 120k to 170k Australian dollar. Cloud roles are becoming particularly prominent in SaaS companies and government IT upgrades. Finally, round off our list is the role of AI and machine learning engineer, a field that no longer science fiction. From self-driving technology to advanced chatbots, fraud detection, and predictive analytics, AI is everywhere, and this space professional skills in Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and NLP, natural language processing, are seeing a source in demand. These engineers typically earn between 130k to 180 Australian dollars. And many are working in cutting edge sectors like health tech, fintech, and even climate science. Universities and startups across Australia are also contributing to AI innovations, making it an existing space to be. So, whether you are a student planning your future, a tech atheist like upgrading your skills, or someone looking for career change, these 5 roles offer incredible opportunities in terms of income, job growth, and innovation. And remember, tech is one of the few industries where your skill matter more than your degree. So don't be discouraged if you're self-taught or just starting out. These are boot camps on there are boot camps, online certification, and plenty of free sources that can help you get foot in the door. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which tech jobs you are most interested. Or if you're already in the industry, share your experience to help others to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.